Hello everyone, welcome to Fair Channel. Today's video is about how to work in Japan as a factory worker. If you are new to Japan and you wish to work at a factory, this video is for you. Please check it out. As of 2017, there are 191,000 factories in Japan, and a lot of them hire a lot of people. This is why factory work is very desirable to a lot of foreigners. Here are some key things you should know about factory work. First up, we have electronics. Japan is known for a lot of the world's biggest electronics brands. For example, Toshiba, Sharp, Canon, Nikon, Casio, Seiko, etc. And a lot of these companies will have factories based in Japan where they produce their items. So you may be interested in working in a factory line for these companies. Next up, we have machinery and automotive. This is one of Japan's largest and most successful industries, and companies which are under this branch may include Mazda, Suzuki, Nissan, or Honda. There are also other industries you may be interested in working at, for example, steel making, pharmaceuticals, or exporting Japanese products. Next, we'll talk about the average salary of factory workers. In Japan, if you are working at a factory, your pay will differ quite a bit depending on different conditions. For example, the skills that you have, the work experience that you have, the type of visa you have when you are in Japan, the prefecture you are living in, but the largest element that would change your pay is whether you are working part-time or full-time. To show you how much the average pay can differ depending on the prefecture, Tokyo is at the highest with 1,013 yen per hour at its average, whereas somewhere like Ibaraki would have around 800 to 850 yen per hour as its average. So, what are the requirements that you need in order to be able to work in Japan as a factory worker? First of all, you would need a working visa. This is an absolute necessity if you were looking for any type of job in Japan. For more information on what sort of documents you need to provide in order to gain a working visa, please click the link below. Next, you would need to take the JLPT, the Japanese Language Proficiency Test. There are several levels of the JLPT ranging from N5 to N1, N5 being the easiest to N1 being the most difficult. Since working in a factory, you would need strong communication skills. You should aim for a N2 level. However, it would be much better and you would have much more opportunities if you reach for the N1 level. Your working visa and your JLPT are the two things that would help you get employment in Japan. However, once you get employment, in order to keep the job, there are still other factors you would need to keep in mind. For example, you would need to have good communication skills, be open, be able to talk to people, have the ability to multitask, have attention to detail, and on top of everything, Japanese people are hardworking people and they are also very dedicated to their jobs. They are very particular with time, so having good time management skills and being punctual, being on time to work is a very big plus to keep your job. And that wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching. See you!